Hello everyone. Today, you will be able to know how to produce English vowel sounds. All English vowel sounds are voiced. That means that if you place your hand on your throat, you will feel vibrations as you say each vowel sounds. Try to place your hand on your throat and follow the sample vowels I'm going to say, and I know you can feel the vibrations. O, O, A, A, E, E. If you do so, I know that there is the vibration you feel in your hand from your throat. The air and the sound flow out of our mouth when we say vowels, and they're not blocked or obstructed in any way. But the question is, how do we shape our mouth to produce the correct sound of each vowels? First thing we will talk about is the position of our lips. It can be rounded, just like oo. Our lips also can be spread, e. We can also talk about the position of our tongue. Our tongue can be inside of our mouth, I, or it can be low, A. Some vowels are very short, U. Some vowels are longer, A. And finally, we can talk about how tense our mouth needs to be to take a vowel sound. Tense versus relax. The E and the I. Some vowels are more tense than others. So as we talk about English vowel sounds, I'll help you understand how to pronounce each one of them by telling the lip position, the length of the vowel sound, and how tense or relaxed the sound is. These are the front vowels. The E, I, A, and the A. To perfectly pronounce each vowels, your lips must be pulled back into something larger or in smiling position, like this. Okay, let's read each vowels again. The E, I, A, and the A. So, two things I want you to know at this point is that the front vowel sounds require the tongue to be a little forward with a very tip down and touching the back of our bottom front teeth. The jaw is opened successively wider with each lower vowel. Okay, let's study each front vowels one by one. First is the E. This vowel is a long sound and tense. Since it is tensed, muscle tension and tongue are needed to produce this sound properly. The key for this front vowel is pronouncing the word cheese. Keyword is cheese. At this point, I'll cite or give words and use it in a sentence. Leader. Honesty is the best characteristic of a good leader. Leader. Next word is seal. Do not accept if tape seal is broken. Seal. And last word is key. I need a key to open a door. Key. Those words are the examples of the front vowels, which is E. Okay na. The next one is the I. Unlike E, I is relaxed. This high front relaxed vowel is produced with little tension in the vocal cords or in the vocal organs. The lips are relaxed as you smile and state the word chin. Here are some words which belongs to the front vowel I. Necklace, necklace. Biscuit, biscuit. Image, image. The third one is the front vowel A. This front vowel is pronounced as letter A in the alphabet. This high mid-front tense vowel is sounded when the tongue is bunched or stuck in the front part and is raised mid-high, just like the word chain, pray, sachet, and eight. Next is the front vowel E. If E needs muscle tension of the tongue, E needs not its tension, because this vowel is relaxed. The upper surface is less convex or curving outward position, and no projection can be felt in the muscle under the chin, as in chest, many, sweat, and leopard. Lastly is the front vowel E. It is formed from the two letters A and E. This single mashed together symbol is not pronounced as two because they are separate vowels and they are combined, and enough reason to pronounce them as one. But the question is, how to pronounce this front vowel properly? In order to produce this vowel, your tongue must be relaxed while the jaw is opened. Lips are retracted in a smiling position, as in chance, laugh, candy. Let's proceed to the back vowels. The back vowels are U, U, O, and O. These vowels are produced when your lips are protruded or projected into kissing position, or in other words, rounded then successively open. Your tongue must be positioned as far back as possible in the mouth without creating a construction that would be classified as a consonant. Back vowels are sometimes called dark vowels because they are perceived as sounding darker than the front vowels. But the question is, how close or open our mouth needs to be? We go from being close to being open, from high vowel to low vowel, from U up to O. It's easy to understand and remember this progression in this group because the final sound is O as in jaw. The question is how close or open our mouth needs to be. We go from being close to being open, from high vowel to low vowel, from U to O. It's easy to understand and remember this progression in this group because the final sound is O as in jaw, and my jaw needs to be lower more and more as I move from the first to the fourth vowel in this group. Watch closely and you'll see that opening as I move from the first down to the last. U, U, O, O. If you observed my jaw starting from this vowel sound getting lower and lower until at the end. Now, let's go through each back vowel sounds and I'll explain each one of them one by one in detail. This is the oo. This back vowel is quite tense muscles. The back of the tongue is raised high, while the tongue tip is directly behind the lower front teeth. As you focus on my lips, it is protruding, quite rounded, but almost closed. It's a very long sound. Oo. Here are some examples of the vowel sound oo. Boot, who, shoe, noose, and suit. Next is the short oo. It is also a more relaxed than the oo. Our lips are still rounded, but it's not a tight circle just like oo. It's a relaxed circle. Watch the difference. This is a long oo. This is the short oo. This is tense. This is relaxed. The circle we make with our lips is tight, but this is tighter than this. This is another long vowel sound. Our lips are very rounded, but it's more open, and it is the O. Think of the letter O in the alphabet. But as we come to the end of this vowel sound, our lips become even tighter. Let's go back to the vowel sounds. Oo, 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 o, o. I'll give you some words as an example and repeat after me. Boat, boat. Throw, throw. Go, go. Note, note. And toe, toe. The last vowel sound is o. O as in bought. I bought something. Bought. It's a short sound and a very open and rounded sound. Make your lips rounded and lower your jaw. O, o, o. Hear and see the difference between the two vowels in this group, the two relaxed vowels. O, 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 o. Note some vowels of the words in the back of vowels o. Bought, bought. Yawn, yawn. Boss, boss. Thought, thought. Gone, gone. This is the end of my discussion about the phonology, particularly the front and the back vowels. Join me as I read these vowels again. The front vowels. E, E, I, I. A, I, I, E. The back vowels. U, 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 U. O, 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 O. Hope you'll get some lessons. This is Respecio.